Good evening, team. We'll start session in a few minutes.
Hey guys, good evening everyone.
Good evening, Indra.
How are you all? Guys, any doubts that you want to discuss from the previous session? We can start with that. Meanwhile, people are joining in. Yes, guys. Am I audible first thing first?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Okay, guys. Anything that you want to discuss? Anyway, we will start the session. We will start the session after 5 minutes so that everyone can join and then we will get started so that we don't have to repeat. No doubts? All good?
Indrajit,
Yes.
hello, am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes, you are.
Indrajit, the doubt is not regarding to power apps, but I just wanted to ask what is the star schema and all?
Star schema, snowflake schema, like these are the what to say way of connecting fact and dimension tables. Okay, it's a term of
Okay.
data warehouse.
I mean, do we really use in real time or like which one we will use?
You use all these kind of schema real time in data engineering and data analyst stuff, not in Power Platform.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then fine. Yeah.
these are data warehouse
Okay.
concepts.
Okay. No worry.
Yes,
Is it
cool.
data modeling concept or is it data warehousing concept?
It is data warehousing concepts.
Mhm.
Data modeling in data warehousing. Okay. You have fact and dimension tables. So it is a technique of connecting fact and dimension tables. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Cool, guys. So let me start the session with the good news that is coming from one of the parallel batch, which is running in morning. Okay. One of the learner from the morning batch, which is still in progress. It has some classes left. It will be end by first week of November. So that guy got placed into Deloitte, guys, with 110% hike as a Power Apps developer. So you must have seen, like if you go to KSR Data Vision pages or somewhere, everywhere it will be there. Okay. So starting the session on positive note, triple digit hike, one more triple digit hike. Name is Bignesh and got placed into Deloitte.
As he was already working, or
Yes, he was already working.
so I mean, The same thing, like, is he working on Power BI or some different technologies like that?
I don't remember exactly, Sapna, what in which technology he was working. What he
Mhm.
switched as a Power Apps developer. So
Mhm.
regarding this thing, I need to check with him. Basically, I will be meeting him tomorrow. I got to know in the evening itself, like he got placed. So might be I will have a detailed discussion with him and let you guys know. What he is the
Okay.
current student in my morning batch.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So take it as a what to say motivation and start preparing. And hopefully, I want to see all of you passing in the interviews, achieving your career goals with flying colors. Okay, cool. Let's get started, guys. Okay, let me sort the stuff out. As I'm sharing my screen, please do let me know once you guys are able to see.
We are able to see.
Able to see? Cool. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. This is the third free preview session of the Power Apps module, okay, that we started 2 days back. So today what we will be discussing is we will be discussing on these many topics. We will be discussing the project that we will be creating, the problem statement we will be discussing. Then we will finalize the project data modeling or data design, okay. Then we will go ahead and we will create a SharePoint site and we will start implementing the data design that we will be creating for the day. Let's see till where we are able to complete. What from where we will left, we will start the session from the point where we will be leaving today, tomorrow. Okay, cool. So now, guys, let's think about the project problem statement that we will be solving. Project. So I have, guys, lot of ideas. So I will give you 2, 3 options. So you go ahead and choose which project we should develop. First thing is we can create a support ticket app, or you can say IT support app. Okay. Have you seen IT support app in your organization where you will go ahead, raise IT request, they will solve it, they will do every stuff, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Second thing is you can have expense management app where you can add all the reimbursements and all. Okay. Clear? What else that you're able to think of?
Support ticket, yeah.
Okay.
Leave
Or
management.
or you can have inventory management app. Okay. So same thing, same concepts we will be learning in every app with all the apps. So now whichever problem is close to you, whichever problem you relate more to it, we will go ahead with that.
Expense management.
Expense management.
Okay. How many of you will say for expense management? How many of you will say support ticket app? Okay. Should I one by one, guys? Okay. All the people who wants me to create expense management app, raise your hand. One, only one, two, two, two. That's it. Maybe Rita is
Asking for expense management or IT support?
expense management.
I am.
Okay, three. Who else? Okay. Okay, now you guys can raise your lower down your hand, Vidita and Jaya. So now, guys, who are the people who want me to go ahead and implement the support ticket app project? Raise your hands. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So, guys, I got the answer. So we will be going with the majority. It is nothing like in expense management, we will be creating something extra that we will not be creating here. So it is just a problem statement that we are solving. So people, the most voted app is this one. So we will be going ahead with this one. Okay. So now, guys, we have identified. Okay, we will be creating a support ticket app, right? Our project name will be IT support. Clear? So this is our project name. So now, guys, for any app, what are the components which are required? Like think of any app that you use.
Login credentials, password.
That is not the component. I want to think more granular.
Database.
Very good, guys. You need a database, right? Guys, please be mindful of your mics. Okay, give the answer and go on mute. Dataverse. That is not Dataverse. Database, right? That is called as backend of your app, isn't it? Now, everything that you will be doing, it will be getting stored in the database, right? So now, should you give users direct access to the database to see all the data and do the stuff?
Security rules.
No, not security roles. Obviously, you will be giving some interface to interact with the database, right? So if you are using Flipkart also in your in your mobile phones or in the desktop, you are interacting with Flipkart databases only, right? But with the help of front end, right? Isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes. Yes.
So if you want to see your order, you will not go into Flipkart database and see, okay, give me first 5 order of mine. You will simply go to the app and there you will get option to do that. Because if I'm giving you direct access here on the database, then obviously you will be able to see the record of mine also, right? You will be able to see everything, isn't it? So
Yes.
obviously you will be needing a front end solution, right? That will be the interface to interact with your backend. Right? So now, guys, in our case, what will be the front end solution?
A Canvas app.
Very good. It will be Canvas app. And backend that we will be using for our project is SharePoint. SharePoint list. Clear? Whatever operations you will be performing here, it will be getting stored here, right? So this is how app works, right? If you don't have this thing, so you are trying to create a support request where it will be stored, where you will store it, right? Isn't it? The details. Guys, is it making sense to each one of you, or it is
Yes.
going over the head?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is step 0 of your project, right? Where you identified, okay, what will be the front end, what will be the backend technologies that we will be using for our app. Okay. Now, next thing is, now obviously SharePoint list you will be creating, right? So in SharePoint list, you will be having a tabular like structure, right? Where you will be storing the data, isn't it? Right, guys? Support tickets.
Yes.
So now what you need to do, you need to identify the columns that you want to store, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
So now, guys, that is the step of data design. Now you will be designing the tables which are required in your database for the app to work functionally correct, right? Clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. So now, guys, I will be opening an Excel file and there you go ahead and tell me. I will create a new sheet. So first thing first, I will give this table name as support request. Now tell me, guys, what will be the columns which will be required in a table? And one thing, guys, I
Ticket
want to
ID.
make just a sec, Sapna. One thing, guys, I want to make very clear with all of you in the day one itself of the project. Don't think yourself as a learner or you don't know anything. You should give your suggestions and every suggestion is welcomed. Okay. I will go ahead. I will tell you whether we can do that or not, whether it is required or not with the logical reasoning. Okay. Think each one of you is the member of team that is building this project. Okay. You are the team member who are building this project. No one is learner, no one is instructor here. Okay. So every suggestion is welcome. Try to think out of the box, try to think like a user, and then tell me the things. Because here I want to train you as a developer. I don't want to teach you. Okay. So this is the training that you are attending. So I want you to take learnings like that. Okay. I hope it is making sense.
Yes.
Cool. Now let's start, guys. First thing first,
Ticket ID. Ticket ID.
ticket ID. That I can say request ID, right?
Timestamp and status.
Timestamp. What timestamp is?
It involves date and time.
No, I know what timestamp is. What timestamp means that I know.
Requested date, completed date.
Very good. It will be the requested date, right? When was it requested?
And status of the request.
Completion date. Okay. Status of request. So guys, here one thing I want to call out. You are thinking in right direction. What you're not thinking in the correct sequence. Okay. So do you feel like these dates should come first? Requested date and all. This is the part of the stuff that I am not denying the fact. But there are few more
But
important columns that you have not thought of yet.
Issue description.
Description. Okay.
it is
First thing first, guys. Does it matter who is raising the issue? Is it a good information to have, or it's an important information to have? Right.
Yes.
Requester name.
when
So
it was
you
created is more important.
correct. So name, right? Employee name, I will say.
And
else?
type of issue is also right. Which type of issue
No,
is this?
Sapna, I'm not saying you guys are not giving me the correct value, but think in the sequential way. So now we are
Hemendra?
thinking about who is raising it, right?
తప్పు నా కొడక నీకు
Okay.
చెప్తా ఉండు
Severity.
Things related to employee name, employee ID, guys. Employee email. Do you need employee email?
Yes, we need it.
Contact number?
Severity.
Yes.
Yes. Now anything else which is left for employee that you need?
Severity.
Severity is ticket related information that we will go come.
Which project he involves?
Department.
Yeah,
Department, right?
department or domain we can say.
Yeah, department is fine. Department, domain, one and the same thing.
Yeah.
Anything else? Designation?
Developer name. Developer name.
Employee name, right?
Employee ID
Okay.
can be used.
Okay, employee ID. That's fine. Cool. So now let's write other thing. Type of support request, right? And someone said severity. And we will add these things also. Control X, Control V. What else?
Comments.
First thing first, before comments, whom it
Description.
is assigned to, right?
Assign.
Description and comments. What else?
Reassign.
Reassign. Okay, if you are reopening, that is fine. Let's not use that. So can you please rename your name? It is coming as iPhone.
Okay, I'll rename it.
Yeah. What is your name, by the way?
comments.
Naveen.
Naveen. Okay.
Indra.
ठीक है. Yeah. Jay, you are saying something?
Closing comments.
That will come here only comments. You don't need to create a redundant column for same thing.
Okay.
Feedback. Reference
Sorry?
ID.
Reference ID will be request ID only, right?
Manager's name.
Yeah, that is our good information to have. That's it.
Resolved by.
That will be assigned to. It will be different or same, right? Whoever you like, suppose you're assigning it to me, so it will be resolved by me only, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
We didn't get a timestamp or
These are timestamps only, right? Requested date, when was it requested, when was it
okay,
completed?
yeah. Correct.
Company who is raising the ticket.
It is
Suppose we
internal
are
application that you're creating, Satish. If you're in Amazon, it will be raised by Amazon people for your IT. I think it is fine to start with, right? What do you say?
Submit.
Sorry?
we are using HubSpot and Asana for ticketing management system. For
We are
the
using what?
UI.
Satish, be little louder, please. What you're saying?
Yeah, we are using HubSpot and Asana for ticketing management system.
Okay,
The
you're talking
UI
about
is different.
yeah, okay. Yeah, in your
in-
organization,
for
it can be
the
anything. We use Zendesk. Some organization have their own model driven app. Some organization will have the similar kind of canvas app that we are building. Okay. So it varies organization to organization. Cool. So now guys, this is your data design. You have figured out the data design. Although here we have created only one table. So when we will be working with model driven app, there we will create multiple table and we will discuss many more things called as relationships and all. So here in Canvas app, it is not required to discuss all those things. Okay, because here it does not make sense to create relationship between table. Everything can be done with Power FX that you will be learning in the upcoming session. So now guys, next thing, do you need location of the employee also? Whether he is working from which location, right? So now you have figured out the columns which are required to be saved in the backend. Now we will go ahead, we will create the SharePoint site and we will create the backend of our Canvas app, right? So now how to create SharePoint site, guys? Either you go ahead in the Power Pages, click on this hamburger, okay, and click on SharePoint. It will take you to the SharePoint site. So I already have a lot of sites. So I want you to go ahead, create your on site with the exact steps that I will be doing now. So give your 110% concentration on the screen. Okay. Click on create site. Click on communication site. Click on standard communication. Click on use template. Give your site a name. I would say Power Platform. Your batch is September 2025 evening batch. Okay. Click on next. Select the language as English and click on create site. Exactly same step you have to follow. Don't get confused what is communication site, what is team site. We don't need to do anything with that. We are not going to become a SharePoint developer or expert. We are learning it as a data source, and this is what you need to follow as it is. Okay. Now you need to create a SharePoint list, right? Let me open the site that we just created. See all. Okay, is it not up yet? It seems it is not. July 2025, Zomato Cafe app. Cool, let me create once again. It seems it is gone. I will create it quickly now.
Is there any naming standard, Indrajit?
It depends on you, whatever names you want to give. But it should be unique name. Site address is available with the modification. I think it got created, but it is not coming. That is fine. Let's create it. Applying template. Here you go. So click on new and click on list. We want to create SharePoint list. So give your list a name. So I want to create a list. Click on list. So give your list a name. My list will be support request. Okay. Create. Here you go. Your table is created, guys. This is how this list will be created. Now go ahead. Ignore this title column. This is out of the box column. Go ahead and start creating your column one by one. What was the first column, guys? What was the first column?
Request ID. Request ID.
Request ID, right? So what will be the type of this column, guys? Text,
Alphanumeric.
number,
Text.
text. Very good.
It will be like alphanumeric. No, sometimes it involves.
So if you have text, Sapna, can't you store number also there?
Yes.
Alphanumeric means that thing only, right? You can have text also and number also.
Yes.
Cool. Request ID. Default value, I don't want to have anything. Done. What next?
Sir, request ID should be
Employee name.
this thing, no, like auto-generated number.
Auto incremented, auto generated. Very good. Very fair point. But in SharePoint, you can't create that. We will be doing it with the help of PowerFX, and you will be learning that in the course. Okay. Getting it?
Okay.
Okay. Because I don't want you to be the expert of SharePoint, even if it is possible in SharePoint. I don't want you to do that. I want you to handle everything with the Power FX expression, because you are here to become expert in Canvas app, right? We will not do this workaround or something. We will do it in the toughest way, which is possible. Okay. Cool.
Okay, sir.
Employee name.
Text.
Text, right? Very good. What next? Let's go one by one. Email.
Alphanumeric.
Here, let's see if we have email type also. Okay, it is not there. That's fine. It will be text only, right? Alphanumeric is text only, guys. Okay. Don't use fancy name, otherwise people will get confused. Okay.
Contact number.
Contact number. Okay. This will be number, right?
Yes.
Sir, except this, everything should be text.
Very good. Chalo. Kaam khatam, right? Now you can simply relax. Isn't it? Now you don't have to tell, right?
My stores.
Department. Should it be text or a choice? What are your
Choice.
thoughts on this?
Choice.
Choice.
Why choice? Why not text?
Because the organization will be having a set of departments, predefined departments.
So first argument can be organization will have the specific fixed number of departments, right? That you will be knowing. So you can create a choice for that. But my next argument is you can type the name of department in text also, right? What is the point of having choice? What is the benefit of having choice?
Because it would be having a predefined value. So for example, if I want to type finance and by mistake, if I am making a mistake while writing finance, it should not become duplicate altogether.
Very good. Very good. This is what I was expecting. So this is to maintain the data sanity. Okay. So keep this in mind. This is very important principle of data design. Just give user as less control over the app. When I say as less control means like there should be as less as you can have free text control, because in free text they can write anything, right? Suppose I am Indra and I am creating the request and I am from finance department. I will write F small I caps and ACE. That is a typo, right? Isn't it? So suppose Navidita is going and she is writing FIN dot, right? Suppose similarly Udit is going and he's writing finance in all caps. So although the department is same, but we have three different versions, right? Getting it? What will be the issue?
And based on the department, we can route the ticket, right?
Sorry, come again.
So based on the ticket, we can send the request.
Yeah, that is different thing altogether.
But the finance would be termed
Yeah,
as
we are
caps locks or something or else,
you are
even
creating
with the same
different version of
department.
same department in the database, right? So now suppose you have these three version. Now one more, I would say the people came and they have written FINAN dot. Then what you will do? You will do the routing again for that thing?
No.
That is not a scalable way, right?
Indra, but there will be portal to raise the incidents, right? So if it is going from the portal, then employee will select from the portal itself why they will type. I mean,
So what I am
department.
saying, if you are giving them free text field, they will type only, right? You're not giving them choice. In portal, it will be flowing from backend only, right? Isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
Getting it? Okay.
Yes.
So it will be choice. Let's create few choice columns. So first thing, finance, IT. What else? HR, right? Let's keep these three. And I will give it as department. Cool. Next thing, employee ID. Employee ID will be? Guys, employee ID will be
Person call.
Numeric one.
What text? Type. Type can be?
Text.
It can be text or choice.
Choice.
Choice, right? So
Interesting. I'm not clear about this choice. What it is. Like I heard whatever discussion has gone, but I'm not clear about the
choice
choice.
means you will be giving these many choices to select from. You know multiple choice questions when you get
Yes, MCQs, yeah.
in multiple choice question, what happens? You have to select only 4 choices which will be there. You can't go ahead and select fifth choice or write your own choice. Okay,
Okay,
getting it? So see, in similar
yes.
way, when you will be creating a app on top of it, you will be getting these 3 choices. You have to select
Hmm.
one of 3.
Yeah,
Getting
then
it?
it will be choice only, yes.
Yeah. So it will be the first thing can be
It will be a
software request, right?
draw.
Software installation, then hardware, then break fix. You can have your own choices, guys. If you think, if you, okay, type already exists, I would say request type. Might be some other column in the metadata. Here you go. Request type is done. Severity. So severity will be
Choice.
Choice.
very good. So severity will be same, right? Low, medium, high.
Yes.
So don't think like you should create always 3 choices. You can create 2 also. You can create 4 also. Okay. So high. What next? Requested date. Control A, Control C. Requested date.
Date and time.
Very good. It will be date and time. I don't want to. Do you want to include time? Let's include it. Or let it not be there. That is not a, what to say, very important thing to have. Completion date. Status, right? Sorry. Completion date will be date and time again.
Yes.
Okay. What next? Status.
Choice.
Very good.
Like it is open, pending, completed.
Okay. We can give it more meaningful, like pending, right? In
In
progress
progress.
and
Pending and
completed.
in progress are same, no?
Pending means you have not started working on it yet.
Okay.
Okay. In progress mean it
It's
is
working on.
started working. You have started working on it, and completed means it's done. Okay. Making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Assign to. Assign to will be text only for now.
Text.
I will go ahead and make it also more good thing, but in the upcoming classes. Okay. We will automatically route it on the basis of some criteria that we will discuss. Yeah. Not required. You go ahead. Sure. Then description. What for description?
Text.
Multiple lines of text.
Very good. So single line of text will be able to store less amount of text. Multiple line of text will store paragraphs. Okay. So it can be paragraph, right? So you can go ahead and write multiple line of text. Comments.
Multiple lines.
Very good. You guys are already aware about everything. Very good. What next? Manager name.
Text.
Text, right? Next is the last one. Location. It will be,
Geo.
sorry,
Geo.
zero.
Choice.
Geolocation.
Okay, geolocation. Okay, we will keep it as choice. So suppose our organization is in Delhi. Okay, headquartered as US. Then we have remote. Okay, we have 3 locations for now. Say. So now you are done with the data design. You have identified the column, created the list, created the columns. Now, guys, next step is you will go ahead and create the front end and create connection between this site and your Power Apps, right? So now, guys, we have 18 minutes left. Let me quickly go ahead and create the Canvas app for you, and then we will take it over from there. Switch to
Indiresh, suppose if in case an employee is uploading the screenshots, right? So do we have any facility to store that screenshots or images in the database design?
You can.
So what will be the type of the column?
Here in SharePoint, like you can go ahead, click on this thing, and here there will be image type. Okay. So here in SharePoint, basically, it is not a good way to store the images. In Dataverse, when we will be going ahead, there will be a file column. Okay, you can go ahead and store any file there. Let it be PDF, image, Word, everything. Okay,
Okay.
cool. Next thing,
Why it
let
is
me
not good, sir, in the SharePoint?
SharePoint, like when
Because
you
it is slow.
create, no, yeah, it is one of that one of the factor. Like when you have to create very, I would say, scalable application, this SharePoint site after 5,000 record, its performance will keep on decreasing. Okay, even after 5,000 records itself. Okay, so it is not recommended to use SharePoint sites for larger data sets. Okay, so that is one of the reason. So if you want to go ahead and do that also, let us use image also for your satisfaction. I will say image. Let me select see all column types if I can see if file is added. Let's add image and I will say it to be attachment. Okay. Save. So now guys, you have to create the app and then create connection there. Okay. So then we will start working on the project. So that is fine. It seems the Canvas app is stuck. So we can start that tomorrow. We will not tomorrow. What we will do is we will go ahead, create the front end and start working on the front end of our project. That is the Canvas app. Okay. So we have 15 minutes, guys. So anyone has any doubt in today's session, please go ahead. It is very simple thing. Let me recap once what we discussed. First thing first, we started with the project problem statement. I given you 3 options. We finalized the IT support app. Then we discussed like how the architecture of IT support app will look like. We will be having front end, back end. Front end we decided as Canvas app. Back end we decided as SharePoint list. Then we went ahead. We created the data design on the Excel sheet where we identified the table name and the columns which will be there. Then we went ahead, created a SharePoint list. Okay. We created a SharePoint list, and in that SharePoint list, we implemented each column that we have identified in the data design. And tomorrow we will start from here. Okay. And one more thing, the people who are not enrolled, so they will not be able to practice because they don't have licenses, because they can't create SharePoint sites and all. But the people who are already enrolled, those who already have credentials ready with them, I want all of you to complete till the point where we are leaving today before tomorrow's class. Okay? Is it a fair expectation?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
And guys, this thing, the Canvas app, model driven app, very important stuff. If you compared with, if you talk about in perspective of interviews or in the real life work that you will be doing, this is bread and butter for Power Platform, guys. So try to cover everything with the class and use your free time to explore more things. Okay. Don't let backlogs grow. Cover everything every day and then work more thing in your project. I'm expecting like you use all this knowledge as a foundation and explore more and give me more, I would say, good projects. Okay, UI wise, feature wise, because after this sessions, you will be getting to know everything, how to think, how to implement, how to process. Okay, so hoping that all of you will be doing it with flying colors. So that is it from my end. So the people who have doubt, they can go ahead one by one.
Sir, where to create the list? How to create this list? Like by logging in, and where to visit, where to click.
Do you have license, Jaya?
Yes, I have enrolled.
Okay, you have enrolled. So I told in the class itself, right? Click on the hamburger, click on SharePoint, and then there are few steps that you have to do, and then it will be created. If you're facing some issues, just go through the recording side by side and create it. You will be able to create.
Okay.
Okay.
No, the main URL, KSR Consulting Services, .SharePoint.
This
That's
one you are
okay.
talking. You
Ah,
don't need to create it. It will automatically coming once you will click on this.
okay.
Okay. It is as good as make.powerapps.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
What type of
Indrajit, apart from SharePoint, what are the other backends we can use, like in real time uses?
It depends on your organization. Again, I can't generalize this thing. You may create it on SharePoint, you may create it on Dataverse, you may create it on SQL Server. So I have created on all these things. SQL Server, Dataverse, SharePoint.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
good. Sharath, you have something?
yes, what type of applications we can create? The desktop applications.
So in this Canvas apps and model driven apps, you can create the internal desktop and mobile applications that will be used by your organization internally. Okay. So a client, suppose they are coming to you and they want to streamline some internal process for them. So then you will be creating the Canvas apps for them.
So we
If
can
you,
create the exe
sorry,
file. Yeah, we can create the desktop application like exe files, or we can create the Java-based applications or mainframe
no,
applications
no, no,
also.
no, 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 no. Don't get confused there. You
Mm.
don't need to create any desktop application or something. You can go ahead and install a Power Apps desktop application. And then once it is shared with you, so then you will be able to use it in that application itself. So if you go to which phone you use, Sharath? It is
I'm from RPM,
Android or iPhone?
Android.
Android, right? Go to your Play Store and search Power Apps.
Mhm.
Download that application, and whatever you will be developing here, when it will be shared with you, you can use that app in your mobile in that application.
So what about in the desktop?
Sorry.
In desktop,
In desktop, you can use it in browser,
okay. Eh, Can we
and
create
desktop
any
application is also
desktop
there.
applications?
Yeah, desktop application is also there for Power Apps. You can install it and use it.
No, not Power Apps desktop application. Is we can create any desktop application by using this Power Apps.
No, no, you can't create desktop application. You only can use it.
So only web-based applications we can create.
Correct.
Can we deploy ML models in this Power Apps?
In Canvas app, if you have attended the second session, there I mentioned like it supports AI capabilities, the AI models which are available in AI Hub in Power Platform that has prediction model, like which kind of sentiment the user is having, all those things you can do. Document processing, invoice processing. But
Most
if
of the
your question
organizations
is,
that are also using Power Apps to create their applications. For example, if you are creating a parking portal or all those things, they are
that's
right
it.
now being created using
Yeah,
Powers
correct.
only.
Yeah, people are moving away from Excels and SharePoint, and even the other legacy desktop applications which were there. Those were dead slow.
Sir, for 1 second, can I share, sir?
Shopware.
For one
Like
second,
think of it as in a group. Like for example, group as in we are a group, right? We are sharing the same SharePoint, and if someone from our end is planning to create sort of an application for sharing information or everything, that can be created, and all the people in the same group can use that Power Apps to run that particular application itself. So rather than it being published on a global level, it would be published on a internal level.
organization level.
Yeah.
Sir, for a second, can I share? Just 1 second.
What you want to share, Jaya? What
Actually, what like I am not able to get this SharePoint. Only I can see from
he can't show you the internal application here in this forum. It is going live on YouTube.
oh,
Okay, even if it
okay.
is there, if even if he has handy, I would not recommend him to share.
Just to log
Oh,
in. Like I am getting datavision.com and I can see the today's classes, dashboards, my courses, those things, but not able to get this thing, this
which thing?
SharePoint.
SharePoint
SharePoint.
that will not be there. Once you will have login with make.powerapps.com, then you will be getting it here, the hamburger icon. Or go ahead and search SharePoint and log in like this.
Okay, so
SharePoint.
we need to log in with make.powerapps.com
Don't get
to get.
confused. You search SharePoint and create it. That's it. Like search this thing, SharePoint. SharePoint. Okay, it is taking everything because let me open in an incognito mode.
Okay,
SharePoint.
okay.
Okay. Search SharePoint and then log in like this. Or log in into Office 365. From there also you will be able to log in.
You need to use your KSR ID for this.
Yeah. That's what I said. I asked you first question that only, right? Do you have credentials? These credentials. You don't have, right? You are not an enrolled student, isn't it? Right, Jaya?
See, I have enrolled, sir, but I did not get this. I
You
got
will be
some.
getting it. You will be getting it. What with everyone who will be enrolling with from the Power Apps module. So there are few people in the class who have enrolled from Power BI and they have their credentials already. So that's why they will be able to create. Getting it?
Okay, so I will be getting it, right?
You will get it. You will get it, but after the preview sessions with all the people.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, in that
Getting it?
instructions will be there. Okay, fine.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, fine. Not I. Okay, after preview sessions we will get it. Okay.
Yes, yes. You will be getting it over the weekend.
Okay. Then okay, sir.
In the
Yes.
meantime, you can also use your organization O365 to practice. Or, if you have your O365 account from your personal one, that will also help you to create a SharePoint list and everything. Just for the
Oh,
practice reason.
Yeah, that is fine. Only 2 days, Udit. I think Jaya will get confused. That is fine. You enjoy for 2 days and then on
then
Saturday do everything at once.
yeah.
Okay. Or do one thing, drop an email to support@datavision.com. Okay. So
Okay,
or call the guy with the help of whom you enrolled. Ask him that you want the credentials. So he will guide you what to do.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
So Indra, in coming sessions, will you show us to connect with the SQL database also, right? Instead of using this
Sharad, that
SharePoint.
is very simple. That is very simple. You don't need
Mhm.
to worry much around that. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will be able to do that for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Can you say the steps of how to enroll?
So enroll, Venkat, like if you are interested, you can you will be getting a call from the team very soon. Or is there anyone from KSR available here? Satish,
Yeah,
guys
hi
from
Raghu.
good evening. So can you please get in touch with the guy who wants to enroll? Who was that? Please unmute.
It's
It's
Venkat.
Sharath.
Sir.
Venkat and Sharath. Satish, please
Hi,
get in touch with them.
yeah. Hi guys, can you take my number? Can you ping me on WhatsApp?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
Satish, say your number, please.
89
Yes.
Not on the
51
recorded session, man.
8951
7851
7851
23.
23. So, guys, this is the number. He will help you in enrolling.
Thanks.
Okay.
Indrajit, I have one question.
Yes, Farad.
Yeah. So, like, will we get a placement support as well from KSR? Like you have mentioned that guy who got placed with.
Yes, placement support, Farhad, you will be getting dedicated placement session from Mahesh, where he will be helping you. Okay. Like if you're not getting calls. Okay, Mahesh is
I
unmuted.
will
So,
take it.
Mahesh,
Yeah, placement will be like you don't need to be worry, guys. Maybe we will chase you until you get placed. We will conduct a placement sale session every alternate day, like Monday at 11 o'clock, Wednesday at 4 o'clock, and Friday at 7 p.m. So you guys can join and can discuss with our team, with me as well. So if you are not getting any calls and you are getting calls but not scheduling, calls are scheduling but you are not able to clear, all these things we can discuss in the placement sale session.
yes. So just one thing I want to add here. So the time when you are learning this power platform, this is the best time. There are a lot of openings in the market currently. So calls, definitely I can assure you, you will be getting it. So only thing is you need to be prepared well. When you will be getting that opportunity, you have to nail it. Okay.
Yeah. So maybe you are able to see my screen, right? So someone who got
Mahesh, it is not visible. I stopped sharing. Now they will be able to see. Yeah. Correct. They are able to see now.
Okay. Yeah. What's his name? Vignesh, right?
Vignesh.
Yeah. So you can see he got around 110% hike when it's happened today only. Okay.
Yes.
So
These
and
are not bad students.
continuously we will discuss with the people as well. Like if they are not getting placed, you can see this is in a placement sale session. So today happened at 4 o'clock. And even the old batch, our team, like example, you can see today morning Indra is discussing with the people like about your interviews. Some people saying they got a 4 interviews but no luck. She attended 2 but still searching. Similar like some people will get opportunity early, some people may take time, right? And still we
Yeah.
are discussing. Example, this Mohit joined today's session and he was discussing he failed in 4 interviews. Mostly it's a scenario based. I told him you can post all your queries like what kind of questions they are asking, where you are not able to answer well. So we will discuss here.
Correct.
So continuously that support we will get it, and the placement related, you guys can join the call. All the batches people will be there. There you can ask me, Mahesh, now I'm not getting calls. I'm not able to clear, or else any topic which you got questions which we are not covered in the course. Even those topics also we can discuss. If possible, we will make as a additional topic, or else at least we will try to make it as a YouTube content. Because in the standards, right,
Correct.
continuously the new concepts will change in every month. If any very high level, it's important, it's updating. Yes, we will take it up and we will
Yes.
make it as a interview question series.
Mahesh, I have to go. So
We'll take
you
care. You
can
can leave.
Inder,
Yeah.
just
Thank you,
one
everyone.
question
Have
before
a
you
good
drop.
day.
Sure, Indra. I will take care. Yeah. Apart from this, any questions, guys, you can ask me.
Yeah, there was one question that I wanted to
Yeah, okay.
understand.
Yes.
What exactly for Power Canvas? Like I know the overall duration is around 4 months, but if you're talking about with respect to per
Yeah,
app, is
topic
it going
wise
to?
schedule is there every day, like out of 80 to 85 lectures. So which day, which topic we are going to be covered, we have a plan. So about, I will
Okay.
share that also in the curriculum. Along with the curriculum, you can see the plan of 90 days. 80 to 85
okay.
only technical content. Rest 5 maybe guest lectures or something.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Complete 80 lectures plan we have.
So I have a query regarding the placement.
Ask me, Jaydev.
Okay. Actually, my um, like my total years is very much. My power platform experience is like 4, but total
Okay.
experience is very much.
Your
So will
current
I get
package?
calls? Current package is very less, 18. I mean,
18 or
considering
80?
my
18 or 8?
1.8. Actually, I am having around 15 years of experience totally.
Okay. Okay.
So I am. So will I get calls again? I don't know if I am not getting calls because people are seeing my total experience or not. I guess.
Okay. 15 plus years of work experience, right? You have, Jaydevan?
Totally worked on many different technologies actually, and switched it to Power Apps. Many.
It's fine. Your total experience I'm asking here. That's right.
Around 15.
Yeah. So at your experience, you should be act like as an individual contributor at least, or else as a team lead or manager. This level of the role you have to be go. Not like as again as a developer or a technical consultant or something. Then we will expect in a good opportunities. Example, Indra, in case of Indra, he was handling around 20 to 25 people.
Okay, so because of that, I am not getting calls or what? Because my total experience is high. Hello.
That can be the case
Like
because
reason, your experience matters here. Your total experience. Yeah.
Is that because I am not getting calls?
That's one reason, sir. Just to check it, what you can do, you can make it your total experience as a just 8 to 10 years.
Okay, fine.
Just check it like you are getting calls or not.
Okay.
So when experience is decreasing, right?
Then it will
Companies
be.
are
Then
expecting
it will be
more
like a
from
gap, no?
No. Just check it. Just I'm saying like you will get calls or not to find out the actual reason.
Okay.
So example, you are mentioning your total work experience is 10 years. Out of that, 3 to 4 years you are into the Power Apps. So now you are getting calls and you are not giving your date of birth or something in initial days, right? You are just mentioning your completed graduation. That's it. You don't need to mention even the year. Let's get the call. Then first our conclusion, yes, because of the total years of experience, maybe you are not getting calls. Then you got the call. Maybe if they scheduled an interview, let's clear the interview. During the BGV, you can give your actual documentation. No need to be showcase your career break. Or else no need to showcase like you had a career break only 8 years, 10 years. You no need to showcase at that time. You can showcase your total work experience. Anyway, your package is less, right?
Package is less.
Yeah.
So I will connect in the placement cells, sir. More to discuss.
Sure. Yeah, we will take care about that. And your resume making completely, our team will take care. So example, you are working in currently with one company with one kind of domain and project. Same domain, same project. We will manipulate the resume as a Power Apps developer.
Okay.
And even we will guide you to make some sample projects in that particular domain. Example, you are working in a supply chain. Similar kind of supply chain related any one issue we will take and we will make it the similar kind of project by using Power Apps, Power Automate or Power BI reports. Example, in last batch, one student is working in a hospitality, like in a sector, healthcare sector. We made an application for in a hospitals.
Mahesh, sorry to interrupt. You said so for telecom domain also, will you help for this?
Any domain, telecom is one of the main domain, right? Any domain we can showcase. Even you can make it by your own by showcasing example, simple funda. In any domain, we have a team. We have to be need to work there. Depends on their task. Or else sales will be there everywhere, right?
Sales, but why I'm asking, right? The project I worked earlier was migration project,
You are
but it
working in
was
telecom,
related to
right, Sapna?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
May I know
was
who is your
working.
client? Is it possible to tell me?
Verizon.
Verizon.
Yes,
So
Verizon.
usually, what kind of task you are taking care of for Verizon now?
As of now, I'm not working.
No. You said like you have Verizon experience, right? What kind of work it is?
So we were taking backup of all the devices which is in the home, right, which is connected to the internet. So what was the usage, whether I mean, it was kind of migration, so totally migration only we have done like full application
Okay.
for the backend, worked on Scala mostly.
Okay.
But that project was not so sound very good, because when people see whether people's having actual experience or not, right? But I want some good projects in telecom to put it
Okay.
in
We will
resume.
take it like example device inventory and repair. When
Yes.
you are connecting with some repair tracking will be there, right? There every organization, every Verizon setup, maybe they will get some repairs, right?
Yes.
So how you are going to be track those repairs? Example, there are very layman example I'm giving. There is 1,000 devices you install in one particular location. But how the functionality, how the quality, and when you are getting the repairs, which season, which area, which location you are getting repairs frequently. Out of that, phones or routers or else different kind of items will be there, right?
Yes.
Connected with the Verizon only. After that, the data source will be integrated with either Azure or AWS or GCP, something like all this information, right? Maybe
Backend
in your case,
Kafka
might be
plus
it's Scala you
AWS
guys
we
are.
have used.
In your case, Scala might be you are using, right?
Yes, Scala we were used, but databases for like AWS
Yeah.
we have used.
Same, like we will build an application where it will work like a maintenance reporting application. Example, even like my Airtel network when gone or else my Act internet is not working, immediately we are going to there and we are creating a ticket by using mobile application. But internally, we can build another application for internal people. How many tickets rising per day? From which location we are getting frequent issues? How many tickets are rising per day? And we will build with an application for reporting Power BI also. Example, every month I am rising a ticket. Same customer, how many times they are reporting? First of all, they will internally have a reporting tool. How many tickets, how many employees they are working? Is there any out burden for them? They will internally will decide. So these kind of
Okay, why tickets are getting slow, right? To resolve and all. Okay.
Yes. Again, when it will be integrated with Power BI, we are going to be take a report. How many tickets we are raising? Is there any compatibility or is any relatability? In particularly one location, only in Bangalore, one particular location like a Whitefield or Marathali, we are getting more. Out of that same client, how many times repeatedly he was making the reports? How frequently he was reporting? Maybe at least we can get a chance to focus why these people are mainly getting issues. Maybe their routers issue or else network issue or else local power outage issue or something.
Yeah.
So these kind of application we can build in anywhere, either automobile, telecom, retail, supply chain. While learning the course, you only will get a better idea where we can build a similar kind of application.
No, just I was asking to parallelly search or build the things that's what.
Parallelly means we will guide you, or else you can take the old batch record access also, then you will get a better idea. So because a trainer can't take one-on-one sessions, right?
No.
Take a wrong promise.
We haven't even asked him, right? Because you already have placement sessions, right?
Yeah,
You
during the
said.
placement cell session, we will take care.
Okay, so that's what I didn't went to Indrajit and ask this thing.
Okay. These things we will take care, and your resume building we will take care. Okay. And also we will suggest you to start your LinkedIn from day one. And one thing I can tell you, your job hunting won't start after course completion. Your job hunting will start the day one we registered for a course in KSR. That not mean you are preparing the resume day one. The preparation starts from the day one by attracting your LinkedIn profile first to make as a Power Platform developer. After that, what trainer is teaching the same topic, you can do your research and try to make as an articles. Or else he explained one small application, try to make the same application and post in your LinkedIn.
Yes.
By completing the course after 4.5 months, your profile looks like exactly a Power Apps developer.
Yeah. And Mahesh, one more thing is like when regarding project, whenever user was getting some issues with the router or something, so in out of India, like in US or somewhere, they won't get the people's in home, right? So what they do, they giving the steps to them so they can do by their own.
That's what Copilot Studio.
Setups
So
and
everything we know need to nowadays we can see earlier one agent will be there to respond for the chats.
Yes.
Now automated, that what called Copilot Studio. Example, regularly. First, I texted them like I'm having an issue. Which issue? Internet issue. What error you are getting? Like not even browsing particular applications, or else not any network you are not able to. I'm not able to browse any application. It will give the points automatically. Okay, it will
Like Airtel thanks app, right? So whenever
example I'm saying, initially it will say like, okay, do one thing, just to switch on and switch off your router. Check how many signals you are getting in your router.
Yes,
Green
yes.
color is coming or black color is coming, something, the points will be there. Depends on that, system will get to know an idea. Even there is no blink means automatically they will get to know it's a power issue. Maybe from battery to the router, there is no power connection.
Yeah, that is there, yes. Correct.
Exactly. Power supply is there, but only signal is not coming. Then need to check the nearby router.
Yeah.
So if they got no technical error where it is, they will check from their end. If really required, they will assign a person who can able to visit the house and they will fix it.
Okay. So Mahesh, if I wanted to prepare a project like this, what should I search? I will search by my own on online, but like what I have to put it in ChatGPT to search the proper project to build, because now Power Apps has started, right?
No,
So
it's
I
depends
wanted
on
to
your example. Your first you can able to understand your requirement.
like ticketing system if I wanted to go with.
Yes, you can check it, and already some projects may be made in some YouTube channels or else some LinkedIn also, or else in GitHub. You can understand maybe some other ticketing system not related to telecom project, maybe some other ticketing system. By referring that, you can able to make it our own ticketing system, and you can even make better version.
Okay, I will check on ChatGPT and I will try to parallelly practice. Yeah.
You can able to do. Why Power BI? In the sense, Power Apps, Power Automate is done their job. After that, want to check monthly reports. How many tickets raised? Which location tickets raised? How speed we are closing the tickets? To be frank, even I will raise a ticket from my Airtel network. They will close the ticket within 2 days without even asking me.
Yeah. That I also know.
Okay, I will frustrated without asking me how they will get in a conclusion issue got resolved. Okay, so these kind of maybe because of monopoly, maybe they are not taking care properly. It's a depends. So we want to give the better solution for the clients. We can be able to make in a better applications at least. Right.
Yeah,
They
that
ask
is.
after closing the tickets, like tell me your issue is resolved. If not, just give me the do something. Before closing, they should ask me, hope your issue got resolved. If yes, let me know. If not, tell me something. Instead of that, they are first closing the ticket and they are re-raising. So what happened to
And
my reports? It will show like, okay, they closed these many tickets for that particular month.
yeah, I'll do. I have career gap, Mahesh. So I will build
How
this the
many
way
years
you
of
said.
career break you have?
2 years due to baby.
Yeah. So in this case, right, usually only girls we have some privilege. Some companies they will hire who had a career break, particularly for girls. But in those cases, they are not ready to give a decent salary.
That is fine, but we have to stuck somewhere and later we can grow.
So meanwhile, if you got any job, even in your same old domain also, if you got the job, please join the job. And parallelly, you can learn here.
Yeah, as of now they don't have opening. I was working in Incido.
No.
Yeah.
In same domain, I'm saying in any company, even you got other opportunity also not related to Power Platform, that's fine. First to join that job and parallelly complete the course. After 4 or 5 months, we will start applying again as a Power Apps developer.
Okay, so for resume building, first you said, right? First create the things,
Yes.
projects and all. Then.
Mm-hmm.
So with career gap, like from last 2 years, I have career gap. So how many years of experience I can put?
You can showcase 2 years of experience in a Power Apps. After that, you can showcase that gap. And during that gap also, you can showcase you joined in KSR and taken restarted your contest. Example, Copilot Studio or else some Dynamic 365 SharePoint integrations. To understand few more projects, you just join in the KSR to complete the total concepts as per our latest market standards. You can showcase in that way. And you can complete the course certification from Microsoft. Yes, for a DP 600 or something. for Power Platform, right?
But PL 900 something was there, right?
I guess I need to check it.
I
Skill
guess
certification is there in
basic.
associate level and entry level.
Yes, yes. Entry level is PL 900, I guess, because Indrajit have shown us.
Yeah, associate
Okay.
level and entry level is there. You can try to complete those certification. It will help you. Usually for other students, it's not required, but in your case, it will be good to have the PL 900, PL 400, right?
So how I can study for that?
Our curriculum is
With
more
the
than sufficient, and for gathering some coupon codes, our team will help you. Frequently, when we have an opportunity for a 50% discounts, we will guide you.
Okay, Mahesh, I really need to do this because I really have gap and it's too much, like 2 years. So no one will accept. Need to work hard for this, no?
We will, but compared to the regular, some less chances. That's it.
Yeah, I know, but let me try myself now.
Yes, sure.
I know, like whatever you're saying is correct, but wanted to try. That's what I'm raising this many questions
No, you can
because I
ask me
knew.
any questions. You can ask me.
And one more thing you were saying, right, while joining, so you can give me the internship, the way you just now said. So is possible after course itself, right?
Yes, yes. No, you can mention like you are doing the course in your LinkedIn and all. You can post it, and you can try to complete your LinkedIn profile in better version as a apps developer. Try to make a dummy projects and post those projects, and try to understand some interview questions and the answer you can post in LinkedIn. This will help you in two ways. First one will be showcasing or portraying yourself as a Power Platform developer. During this journey or searching, right, your skills will improve.
That is, I agree with.
Imagine like every alternate day or else a weekly 2 to 3 posts I requested to post in LinkedIn. Monthly, at least 8 to 10 pro posts. That means 10 interview questions you are learning.
Mm-hmm.
4 months, 4 into 10, 40 interview questions.
How I will get that interview questions by posting?
So example, what topic as of now is Indra is handled today?
Today, like Power Apps basics, like creating data designing in
That is maybe
Canvas
one
app.
basic interview question, right? And also we developed our own application also for AI interview hub. You can do mock interview practice there. We call it as a AI interview hub. You can do yourself. You can practice your mock interview there, and you can verify your.
Is it app from mobile I have to download?
No, not on mobile. It's in my laptop. I'm sending the link. You can check it. It's our own application. We build itself. Okay, it will be validate your resume. You can take an interview. That interview video you can download yourself later, and you can check it how you are giving the answer properly. Where you have a
Okay.
issue. Even our
Sure.
confidence matters there.
That is also, yeah.
Yeah. So by giving 10 interviews, example, you will get some better confidence, right? Most of the
Yeah.
questions obviously will repeat. After attending 10 interviews here, giving an actual interview, it will get more confidence to you.
Yeah, mostly scenario based only will get filled, right?
Yes.
Okay, Mahesh, I'll try. Hopefully, I'll get.
No,
I'll
you
try
can
my
get
best.
it, not.
Only worry due to this career gap. Otherwise, and now market is also somewhat
No, market is too
down,
good
right?
actually in India.
Yeah, that's
American
what.
market, maybe it's a little so, but Indian market is too good.
Really?
Really. You can check it, or else we'll do one thing. Still, 3 more classes are there, I guess, free sessions. You can take in a dummy resume as a Power Platform developer and check it by keeping in Naukri. But showcase you are still working.
Okay, we'll do
Just
that.
check it like
Mahesh.
you will get a call or not. You can observe.
Okay.
Okay.
That is
You
a
will get
great
from the
idea.
certifications, resumes from the Naukri or LinkedIn, right? You can take a one
Yeah,
resume.
sample we can take it.
Yeah, you can take it one sample resume, showcase you are still working, and update in Naukri and check it for 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
Mostly
Sure,
because
I'll
of
do that.
Diwali, maybe you may won't, but after Diwali, for sure you will start getting calls.
Yeah, sure, Mahesh.
Okay, calls will get. Only thing is how you are going to be clear the interview.
Yeah. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Anyone?
Mahesh, I have a doubt
Yeah,
regarding
sure.
career gap. So basically, I have 2 months of gap, and currently I'm working as a